Take one, please. Thank you.
Council General, I'll turn this way. Was to try to help the institution here provide English, and we're hoping that that can lead to.
It's just these urban population which is engaged in other businesses or and last one is restrictions if we are invested. Higher definitely do flood because of some problems of transportation and other districts and other.
Into this district, all of those sectors that are really important. And hearing from you guys as to how your operation runs here, I sincerely appreciate it. Thank you for your.
And we have administrators are even free as being handled by assistant commissioners.